So you're thinking that these actually work? Well, to be quite honest, I've never tried egg cartons because I've always heard that they don't work, but some people online seems to think that they do. Now this room is quite echoey. That's the reason I chose it. Your washroom will be the room that has the most echo in your home. So this is the perfect room to see if products like this actually work. Before I try this, I'll just put 6 acoustic panels in this room, just like these. And you can already hear the difference a little bit of how well it sound deadens. And then I'll be placing egg cartons. So then you'll be able to hear full echo, a few acoustic panels, almost no echo at all, and then use egg cartons the same way I did with the acoustic panels to see if it at least makes a difference. You'll be able to hear if it makes at least a little bit of a difference or not. So first, we're gonna fill this room up with acoustic panels and let's hear the difference. So just listen, it sounds a lot better. And it's a great place to really test acoustic panels. There's no place really in your home that would be as echoey as a washroom because of everything flat floors. You have a mirror that will reflect sounds better than a wall, so it all adds up. So now I have the acoustic panels on the wall. I only brought six acoustic panels, and it made quite a difference. Of course, I just placed them around me just to show you that these things do work. Now, if you're at home and you bought a product that you're not sure if it actually worked, trying it out in the washroom would probably be the easiest way, because when we try egg cartons all around, basically the same spots where I'm putting the acoustic panels, I'm just gonna lay them all out. I have a bunch, and we'll see if they actually absorb sound or if they don't, if they didn't anything. We'll be able to find out. Now, a lot of people online say that these things just do not work. I have my thoughts on them. I have never really tried them, so this is a first for me, and we'll all find out together. Now, an acoustic panel, though, like this, will cost around $120 each. You can shop around on Amazon. You can maybe find some for a little bit cheaper, but that's roughly around the price for something like this. But you can make them at home. I just made these acoustic panels, and it is really simple and cheap to make. Video right up here, and you'll learn the DIY way, because I have 12 of these. Instead of it costing you $1,200, you can make 12 of them for around $150. Quite a difference. And hey, who knows, you can maybe make a few extra and then sell them online. Just an idea. But let's try now to see how this room sounds, again, with nothing in it. So you're thinking that these actually work? Alright, so now I've added some egg cartons on the wall, and you can kind of hear that it made actually a little bit of a difference. But the thing that some people don't realize with these, okay, I just put a little bit of Scotch tape, and I was like trying to beat the clock and film this because as I was putting them on, the other ones were falling off. So anyway, but what do you think? Do you think it looks good? Huh? Looks like complete dog. And the thing is, yes, it does work a little bit. Of course, it does work a little bit. I honestly didn't think it would work at all, but it actually works a little bit. Not as good as the acoustic panels, but now the one thing to realize though is that acoustic foam will work a little bit better than egg cartons. Of course, it won't work as good as acoustic panels. If you're wondering exactly how good these works, video right there, and you'll be able to hear the difference between the panels and the foam. One thing to consider, and this is important, is, as I said, these works better than egg cartons. If you go on Amazon, you can find egg cartons, about 15 of these cartons for around $15. Around $1 a carton, which is ridiculous. You can get these, you can get a dozen of these for about, I have no idea, I forgot, $18. So if you pay just a little bit more, you'll get something that at least looks a little bit better than a bunch of egg cartons on your wall. Some people will say, well, you can spray paint the egg cartons or put like foam in it. It doesn't look good, doesn't work. Just throw them in the garbage. They actually make good fire starters. So these actually belongs to be reused for egg cartons. And then when it's like, then you just use them for burning fire. That's basically all it's good for. So you can skip all of this. Fine, it works a little bit. You can hear a little bit of the difference, but I'm still not impressed. I hope you guys aren't impressed either, but I hope you're impressed with this video. So I haven't asked any of you in the last few videos, have you noticed? To push the like and subscribe and all that. I stopped doing it. And hopefully by not asking you to subscribe and to like, it will actually make you like and subscribe. So let's see if that actually works. And also leave a comment. That I like comments and I try to get to them when I can. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on soundproofing and they're a question that you think that'd be good to be made in a video, let me know and I'll give you a shout out if I use your question to basically make a video around it. So thank you.